Hello my dear friends and welcome back. In this video I am going to share you one of the query that has asked me one of my friend, and he wants to know how we can achieve the things that can be done with a pivot table. Okay, so here the query is that we have some manufacturing production data where the production things are there and the shifts and product unit and defect. Now they want the information that how many total units are there by the product, how many defects are there, and they want the percentage of defects. Okay, so this can be done with a pivot table, but we are just going to use an Excel formula for this. So I'm just going to write a single formula over here. I am just going to paste it. First of all, we are just going to use a let function over here, and here we are just first of all declaring a variable products and passing a formula unique. So the products is going to have a unique value from the range B6 to B100. So we are exceeding the range, because if it is possible that somebody else new over here, so we don't have to edit this formula again, but it is going to create one issue. I will let you know in just a moment. Okay, next we are using a byrow formula over here and passing that values to unit. Here we are using a lambda function to calculate all this by the product, because we are receiving a product of uniqueness over here, and based on a unique value we are just calculating the total. And the same for the defect, we are just calculating it. And the last variable, fourth variable, is for the percentage. So we are dividing defect by units, and all the data is going to be HSTACK. So when you press enter, you will see that we are receiving rows with the calculation, but you can see we are getting one extra row over here, and this is because we have extended the range. If we put the range up to B15 or D15 and E15, then there won't be any issue. So how we can fix this? Let me show you. In the new version of Excel Office 365, there are a couple of new functionalities are added. So here we are just using a dot after the column, and this is dot is going to trim the range. Okay, so it will allow the values that are there in the continuous sequential. For example, B6 to B100, so it will stop at B15. Okay, same thing, I'm just going to add dot after the colon in every range. So you can see over here, when I press enter, you can see that there is no extra zeros. Okay, in case if we add some more rows, it will automatically get added. Let me copy this and I'm going to paste it over here, and you can see the harvest value is also there. Okay, so hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment what you think about using modern Excel formulas and how would you take in your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.